So hello everyone, so welcome again to this YouTube channel. So in a recent video we talked about quickest way how you can launch Chrome driver, and in that video we used WebDriver Manager dependency. So today I'm going to cover this topic, that why WebDriver Manager, why you are not using traditional way. So in traditional way, you need to download the Chrome driver from the internet, and then you need to set the path using system.setProperty method. So I'm going to show you this on Eclipse, and I'll also tell you the error that you can face. So first thing is, in traditional way, you need to download Chrome driver from internet. So I just searched it here. So let's click on the first link, and I need to download it according to the browser version. So suppose 94 I'm using right now, so I'm clicking on 94 and I'm downloading this Chrome driver. You can see that I have downloaded the Chrome driver from internet. So now second point is, you have to set the property for the same driver in your project. So let's see. So here I set up one project in Selenium. If you can see here, it's Maven project, and the Chrome driver that I have downloaded right now, so I just placed it in target folder under my project. So let's see how we can proceed here. So first thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to get the location of my this Chrome test project using system dot get property. You can get the location of your project using this method. Here you need to pass argument user dot dir. So this will return the current project's location in string loc. Okay, now you need to set the path for driver. That you can do system dot set property, and you need to write WebDriver dot driver dot Chrome, because we are setting it for Chrome. And here you need to pass the path of the Chrome driver that is under the target folder, if you can see here. Okay, so now I got my location of my project here. Okay, and now I need to concatenate the path of the target folder, target, and Chrome driver dot exe. So I set the property of the driver. Now I simply initialize driver new Chrome driver. Okay, now I'll just simply navigate to any site. Here you can https.google.com. okay, so let's see. So now see what we have to do. We have to set the property of the web driver that we have downloaded from the internet, Chrome driver. If you want to use any other browser, there is specific driver for each browser. For Firefox you need Gecko driver, for IE you have IE driver. So you need to set path for respective browsers. Here you need to pass the browser name. Here we are using Chrome, so that's why I have write it here Chrome. Okay, so let's try to run it. Okay, let's see. Oh, so I have exception. Okay. So here we need to pass exact syntax. So guys, you can get these type of issues that I was about to talk, but I got it while recording it. So let's try to run it, if it is picking it right now or not. Again it is. Let's see. Driver does not exist at target. Oh, target. If you can see target, I have write target. You need to set the specific path, and you need to set this specific webdriver.chrome.driver. See, we opened the Chrome driver. So this is the traditional way, and in this video I also got these errors, that you need to set this syntax properly, and also you need to set the path exactly. So as we have seen, in traditional way I have already performed all the three steps. Like I have already downloaded Chrome driver, then I have shown you that how I set the system.set property of that driver, and I have also shown you the errors that I have faced during that. So let's move to the WebDriver Manager. So now why WebDriver Manager? If you see that how many errors we got in traditional way, so now here you don't need to do anything. You just need to have dependency of WebDriver Manager. Then simply you need to write 2 lines, then it will automatically do all the work. You don't need to set the property for the browser driver, and you don't need to download the Chrome driver from the internet, and you don't need to check for the updates of the Chrome driver, that Chrome driver and Chrome browser, that if any update comes, you need to update the Chrome driver as well. So that are the issues you got in traditional way. So here, if you can see, first point, it automatically downloads latest driver from the internet. B, you can set the specific version as well. And C, you can set specific platform as version as well. So let's see how we can do this. So if you can see, I have already removed code related to traditional way. So I'm going to launch a driver using WebDriver Manager dependency. So I have already added WebDriver Manager dependency in pom.xml. If you want to see it in more detail, you can refer to my video, quickest way to launch Chrome driver. I have recently made it, and I'll just mention it in the comment section. So now you simply need to write WebDriver Manager dot Chrome driver dot setup. Then you simply need to initialize the Chrome driver. WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Chrome driver, and now you need to simply navigate to Google. Now this is the simple syntax. You don't need to download the Chrome driver. You don't even need to set the system.set path for the Chrome driver. So these are the simple 3 lines. So let's see what are the benefits of WebDriver Manager. So before that, let me try to run it if it is launching the Chrome driver and navigating to Google. So it is perfectly working fine. So let's see now. So now we have seen that how you can set up the Chrome driver using WebDriver Manager, and it automatically downloaded the Chrome driver from the internet, and we launched the Chrome driver and navigated to the Google. So now let's see second point. We can set the specific browser version as well, and we can set specific platform version as well. Let me show you this on Eclipse. So advantage of WebDriver Manager is you can set up the specific browser version, you can set the specific driver version, you can set the specific platform version. So let me show you this one by one. If you talk about the driver version, you can pass it here as an argument. Like I want to write on 85, you can set it here. And if you want to do it for the browser version, you can simply control space browser version. You can pass the version of the browser here. And if you want to set it for 32-bit, then you can simply 32, and if you want to do it for 64, you can simply write it 64. So this advantage WebDriver Manager provides us. And other than this, one more thing, that this is, we have done it only for Chrome driver. If you want to run it for iDriver, you can simply iDriver. If you want to do it for other driver, Firefox driver, you need to write Firefox driver. So that is the advantage of WebDriver Manager over the traditional way. So guys, this was all from this video. I hope you like the video. Please do share the video if you like it. Thank you.